love this bun. It is so easy to use. I linked below where you can pick one up. But what I did is I put my hair up in a bun, and then I grab one of these and I just literally center it and then bobby pin it to my head. And I have a full updo. This helps add so much volume. It adds so much flair to it. And tonight I'm going out to Christmas Eve dinner, and I really wanted to show up with something that was captivating from the start. I linked below where you can pick yourself up one of these. Found it on Amazon.
Hey Mr. DJ, give me a damn break. Kick up the tempo and let it drive. I want my FM, dose of adrenaline. Too many slow songs killing my vibe. I'm decked out, dressed up, ready to groove. It's all up to you. Hey, who wants to rock? Who wants to rock? Who wants to rock with me? Who likes it gritty? 0 to 60. If you do, just stick with me. Who wants to help me out and light the fuse? Come on and tell me who wants to ride with me. Yeah. You think it's too loud? Walk yourself out. I'm gonna walk this way all night. Me and Bobby McGee, pour some sugar on me. Highway to hell and fight for your right to party. We're just getting started.